Want to save up to 20% on every server license you buy? Deposit to your The Server License wallet once, and every future renewal runs from that balance, instantly. Here's how it works. Sign into your dashboard and click Wallet in the sidebar. On the Wallet page, you'll see your current balance on the left and the Add Funds panel on the right. Now look at the bonus ladder. Deposit $100 or more, and we add free credit on top. 5% at 100, 10% at 250, 12% at 500, and all the way up to 20% free credit when you deposit 2,000. Type your amount, pick card, PayPal, crypto, or pay fast, and click Deposit. That's it. Your wallet fills up with the deposit plus the bonus, and every future license order pays from that balance in milliseconds. No card fees, no gateway delays, and stacks with promo codes and long billing cycles. Try it out, and thanks for watching.